Today is your birthday. You must be super excited.
Yes, today is my birthday. I'm super excited, but I forgot to put air in the balloons.
Oh, right, the balloons aren't in the air. No worries, we and our little friends will count and get them ready together. Let's start counting with our little friends. Say it with me, heroes. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number comes after 4? Think about it. 5. Well done. Let's keep counting. 6, 7. And what comes after 7? 8. Amazing. 9. And now, all together in a big, loud voice. 10.
Thank you all, my friend. You helped me get the party ready. And now let's party.
If you enjoyed the episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you soon in a new adventure.